Okay, hello. This is basically a quick demonstration of how the delete simulated keys will work. If I press play, I've got the hair active, so it's actually simulating at the moment. It's not been baked. So if I turn off the hair will stay in its place. So what I shall do is I'll quickly bake out this. So I'm going to do 50 frames on these two controllers. Okay, so now if I turn this off, you can see that simulation should have been baked to those controllers. And if I turn this back on, it won't continue simulating because it's been disconnected when you bake out the keys. So what you would do is, if you're unhappy and you obviously you can tweak on top, so you can actually select the controller and you can either animate here or you can push up on your keyboard and you've got all of the keys that you baked out, so you can tweak these keys in the graph editor or however you want to do it. But if you're just unhappy with it, what you can do is you can highlight the two controllers or however many controllers you're unhappy with, and then you hit delete simulated keys, and a pop-up box will come up and it's just warning you because it's easier to make sure that you want to do this basically. Otherwise you could delete it and then you'd be unhappy if you couldn't get the work back. So hit yes. And now you can start simulating again. So there you go, you can see the simulation working again. So that's basically it. Okay, thank you.